The polarization. Malus law interactive calculator determines how light intensity changes when passing through polarizing filters. This calculator has a drop-down menu called Select Calculation Mode with 6 options. Calculate transmitted intensity, calculate angle between polarizers, calculate incident intensity, calculate transmission coefficient, multiple polarizers, crossed configuration, and multiple polarizers series configuration. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate transmitted intensity. The input fields are incident intensity I0, transmitted intensity I, angle theta, number of polarizers, and total angle rotation. Let's work through an example. I'll enter an incident intensity of 100 watts per square meter, a transmitted intensity of 50, an angle theta of 45 degrees, number of polarizers is 3, and total angle rotation of 90 degrees. After clicking Calculate, the primary result shows 50,000 watts per square meter, which is our transmitted light intensity. The transmission coefficient is 0.5, meaning half the light passes through. The percentage transmitted is 50%, and the percentage absorbed is also 50%. These results confirm that at a 45-degree angle between polarizers, exactly half the incident light intensity is transmitted according to Malus's law. This tool streamlines polarization calculations for optical system design. Find the link in the description below.